Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we are going to be checking out the top 5 best monitor arms in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these monitor arms, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these monitor arms, which one would it be? Leave a reply in the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Loctek Freedom Arm. As one of the world's leading provider of innovative computer ergonomic solutions, particularly in LCD computer monitor mounts, LCD arms and workplace solutions, Loctek has established its name in the industry through quality product design and exceptional toolless engineering. Like any other highly rated brands, their products are well designed to revamp anyone's workspace, make it more comfortable, functional and above all, ergonomic. The Freedom Arm is a monitor arm that lets you replace your static display stand with a flexible arm which allows you to tilt, pan and rotate your monitor into the perfect spot. It also gives you about 12 inches of vertical height adjustment. Do you need extra desk space while your computer is powered off? Just push your display away from your desk and free up space that would otherwise be lost with traditional monitor stands. It's simple and effortless. The Freedom Arm is compatible with Thunderbolt displays, iMacs and most displays that have a VESA mount on the back. This monitor arm is constructed mostly of aluminum and has useful features such as cable management clips that help keep all of your cables tidy. With a full extension range of 26.7 inches and a maximum monitor weight capacity of 13.8 pounds, the Freedom Arm HD is ideal for upgrading your workspace and promoting ergonomic positioning. The Freedom Arm HD holds monitors up to 27 inches and 30.8 pounds, which is more than enough because I personally don't know any monitor that weighs more than 30 pounds. If your monitors are larger than 27 inches, I would suggest you to keep watching the video for monitor arms that can handle larger monitors. One of the many things Loctek products beat other products in is its easy and hassle-free installation. This particular product, for example, is very easy to set up and users won't need extra hand to assemble the whole thing. The product comes in two main parts which makes assembling straightforward, so I would say that overall this product is very nice and it can be used by everyone. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Bestand Monitor Arm S2. This ergonomically designed monitor mounting arm makes it easy to adjust LCD monitors to a comfortable position and is helpful in relieving eye fatigue, neck and back pain. Universal rotation makes viewing your monitor from any angle possible. This Bestand dual computer monitor stand comes with a gas spring connecting the arms. With built-in gas spring arm to suit various monitor weight, freely move to any mounting point, gracefully adjust the monitor height. You can adjust the height of the arms and your monitor with great ease. If you are someone who hates cables, you will love this monitor arm because its cable management system is pretty well thought and it will keep your desk as clean as possible. This monitor arm can support monitors up to 27 inches and it has a weight capacity of 20 pounds, which I think is a bit lower compared to other monitor arms in the market. However, that shouldn't be a huge problem because not many monitors are that heavy. The material used in the making of this monitor arm is top-notch since it is made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy material. This means that this monitor arm will be very durable and won't break in the middle of your gaming or working sessions. If you just can't keep your monitor in one place, this monitor arm will help you with that. It provides multi-angle rotation so you can freely swivel 360 degrees from landscape to portrait mode and more. Overall, I think it's a pretty good monitor arm that is very durable and doesn't cost too much. So, if you have neck and back pain because of bad viewing angles, getting this monitor arm will be very beneficial for you, especially considering the price since it's not that expensive. Moving on, next up, at number 3 we have the Loctek D5D. With countless of choices out there for third-party ergonomic solutions for computer displays, finding the right dual monitor stand can be a quite hard task. There are lots of factors to consider, but of course you want to get the best option your budget can afford. Loctek is one of the lesser known names in the monitor solutions market that is starting to make its mark. Loctek D5D is meant for dual monitor displays, however, it's not meant for bigger and heavier displays and it doesn't offer as much adjustments and monitor repositioning options as its more expensive brother the D7D, which we'll take a look at later. This product, however, is a good option for anyone looking for an affordable dual monitor solution. This monitor mount offers a nice way to mount and hold two displays side by side while simultaneously saving a lot of desk space. The arm adjusts easily, allowing users to push the monitors comfortably, but in a limited range of movement. This is perfect for people that love gaming or normal users that use dual monitors. For adjustment, it has a gas spring hovering system that easily allows you to adjust the height. Once you have the appropriate height, simply adjust the tension on the mount to ensure that your monitor stays in place. The gas spring hovering system makes it incredibly easy to change monitor height in the touch of a finger. Some monitor arms just can't handle wires properly, but the Loctek D5D can do that perfectly because it has good compartments for keeping wires organized, and that will make it easy to adjust your screen positioning without the wires interfering. Aesthetic-wise, there is nothing extra special about the Loctek D5D. It looks quite simple and straightforward, but in a good way, as its simplicity is actually its appeal. The D5D has a limited weight capacity of 11 pounds per monitor arm, which means that mid-sized displays with heavy cabinet can be a problem, as monitor might tilt if not sag on the desk. Overall, I would say that the Loctek D5D is a good product for its price. Moving on, at number 2 we have the North Bayou F80. F80 by North Bayou is an extremely popular desk mount that comes with a very affordable price, so if you don't want to spend too much money on a quality monitor arm, the Bayou F80 will get the job done. This universal mount is engineered for all the screens weighing between 4.4 pounds to 14.3 pounds with VESA patterns from 75 to 75 mm up to 100 by 100 mm. This single monitor mounting arm is perfect for conference rooms or team sharing information sessions because it allows you to rotate your monitors or TV screen 360 degrees and swivel horizontally 180 degrees plus. The arm has a very solid metal construction, with plastic covers that hide input and power cables very well. The cable management system is excellent for keeping your workspace clean by ensuring that the wires don't just hang down from the monitor. The Motion Desk Mount arm is made from sturdy and durable aluminum alloy that has smooth shining chrome covering. The built-in cable duct has a very important aesthetical function as it allows to hide all the wires inside the arm. The North Bayou F80 desk arm is perfect for working and studying because thanks to the comfortable viewing angles, you will reduce eye, back and neck strain with better ergonomic adjustments. There are unlimited positions you can adjust the monitor depending on your preference, and you can install it without damaging your work surface. The cable management feature is an added bonus to an already awesome product, especially at that price point. Overall, I would say that this is a very nice monitor arm for the price, since it can handle most of the monitors and it doesn't cost too much. So if you need a monitor arm that don't want to spend too much money, go with the North Bayou F80 because you definitely won't regret it. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Loctek D7D. The D7D is a premium quality dual monitor mount that lets you comfortably and easily adjust your displays for a proper ergonomic setup. This Loctek unit is designed to support monitors weighing between 5 to 19 pounds. The arms can support most 10 to 27-inch monitors, and it's made with anti-scratch aircraft-grade aluminum with injection-molded plastic trays for cable management. This is a better version of the Loctek D5D we mentioned in this video, and what's so unique to this particular model is the inclusion of audio, microphone and USB 3 inputs at the base of the mounting arm. Each port comes with its own cable. These cables can route back from the Loctek base to your computer. The Loctek D7D is for anyone looking for dual monitor setup. Each arm allows a wide range of adjustments, providing a wide variety of ergonomic positions for all types of users. Unlike its smaller brother D5D, the Loctek D7D comes with a sturdier and more impressive build, as manufacturer advertised it as aircraft-grade aluminum. The shiny arms add fantastic appeal to the overall aesthetics of this monitor mount. The price of the D7D might be a bit higher than most of the monitor arms on the market, but it's definitely worth every penny if you're looking for a heavy-duty solution to mount your large and heavy display. It has really good cable management, which will keep cables neat and organized, and it will allow wires to move freely while changing screen positions. Most of the monitor arms in the market have trouble doing that, but this product doesn't have that problem, so that's a pretty good thing. I know it's expensive, but if you really want to fully complete your gaming workstation or working workstation, you should definitely invest into high quality monitor arms to get the most comfortable and good looking setup ever. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these monitor arms, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.